ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. It's still your girl again, Blessing, aka Chifo. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about everything that has to do with your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and how you can get a scintillating skin. Guys, in today's video, I'll be reviewing 5 face cream, guys. Those face creams are more likely like face correctors, right? So this is not your regular face cream that you can just be using every day. So I've just gone ahead to make research on face correctors. Now what face correctors do for you is maybe you're having one blemish or one face issue or the other. Face corrector helps blend your face, clear all those things out, and reveal your true glow. So maybe you have bought a particular face cream or face treatment and it has somewhat given you an undesired result, maybe breakouts, acne, white marks or white patches or white dots, whatever you call it, or eczema, or all these associated issues that come as a result of product reaction, right? So there are times you buy a product and you end up having a negative reaction. Now the focus of this video is to reveal or recommend products that can help fix those things. But guys, let me put it out here first that if you're having severe skin reaction, maybe as a result of a product you used, it's best to first discontinue that product. Wait for a while for your skin to heal, like regain itself before you jump into using a corrector, right? So for instance, you bought a product and maybe it gave you a lot of pimples, maybe breakouts, acne and all that. The first thing to do is discontinue that product, right? When you discontinue that product, you give your time, your body or your face a while or few months or few weeks to heal itself, like let it go back to default. Then when you're certain that your body has gone back to default, then you can introduce another product. Don't just jump from one product to the other trying to correct it. You might end up even doing more worse than what it was. So I would just be recommending this, but like I said, before you jump into all these correctors, make sure you have given your skin like a holiday to rest. I would recommend minimum of 1 month. You can do like 2-3 months. Yes, it's difficult because you might want to get a quick fix. If you're trying to just attack it head on, you might end up losing everything. So guys, what are the correctors into now? The very first one on my list will be this one here, the Face Fat Wonder Cream Instant Glow Revival. Yes, so let me just read out what the manufacturer claims this will do for you. Now the Face Fat Wonder Cream is for smoother, rejuvenated and complexion cream, right? Now this is like a reviver. Like I said, the focus for today's video is correctors, like to correct any form of skin damage you may have encountered as a result of reactions from your product. Now the Face Fat Wonder Cream, right, is a 50 ml face cream. So it contains green tea, it contains niacinamide, it contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Guys, can you beat that? All the ingredients used in formulating this product are all hydrating and healing ingredients, soothing ingredient. Let me use the word soothing ingredient. So we know green tea is a soothing product. Green tea helps to stimulate collagen production. Green tea helps to fade out all uneven skin tone. Green tea also is a healing plant, right? It will help to heal your skin texture, ensure blood circulation and all that. So it is a corrector. It also has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the hydro booster. It helps to trap in moisture on your body, your face, and retain them. So it would make your skin hydrated. It has niacinamide to clear blemishes, and finally vitamin C to glow your skin. So guys, you can see that this product is a corrector. So if you have maybe uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, or you're breaking out, this would help correct that. Now this product has 2 types. It has the scented and unscented. They are pretty much the same. It's just that one has fragrance, the other one doesn't have fragrance. So if you're somebody who doesn't like fragrance, you can go for the fragrance-free one, or if you like scented products, you can go for the scented one. And you can use it anytime, morning and afternoon. It's not really harsh, and it can be tolerated by all skin type, guys. It can be tolerated by all skin types. So whether you have combination skin, normal skin, whichever skin type, it can be tolerated. So this is like a healing product, right? And it's a corrector. Like I say, Face Fat, I love their product. They know how to formulate their product with mild ingredients and good ingredients. So for this you can use it. It can lighten your skin up to a shade or two, but it will not whiten your skin. And guys, when you get the result, like I always say, just keep it aside, go to the ones you use, and then later pick it up. Now this product retails between 8 to 10,000 depending on where you're getting it from, and it's a 50 ml size bottle. Now moving on to the next one, guys, is this very one here, Advanced Clinical Encapsulated Retinol, right? Advanced Clinical is another product that is like a drugstore product. I love their formulation because they use safe ingredients, and their products are dermatologically tested. So when you go to see your dermatologist, they can give this like an A rating in terms of their formulation, right? Now this one claims to clear wrinkles. So if you're somebody, maybe your skin, you are already aging, you're already seeing signs of aging, you're over 35, 40, and your skin is dull, maybe you notice that your skin is just not bright and is looking weak, maybe because of stress, or you go into the sun always and you're already experiencing, you know, some damage on your skin, and you could notice it's visible, you're having texture. Now this is one product that I would recommend for you. Or maybe you have used the cream that is the bleaching cream and it has given you hyperpigmentation, and you could see that your face, some sides are looking brown, another place is looking yellowish, another one is looking black. You don't just understand the look on your face again, right? I'll recommend this Advanced Clinical Retinol. So this product really is a very good product, and it retails between, I think, 13 to 15,000 depending on where you're getting it from. It's more expensive than the first one I mentioned, and like I said, it helps with texture. So if you know you have textured skin, like you see your skin is bumpy, or maybe sun damage, or you just notice that your skin is dull, you want to glow up, you want to brighten up, yes, this will help. This might not give you up to 2 shades, it will not lighten you, but it will brighten you. When you start using it, you see to even out all those dullness or unevenness on your skin, and over time it will just glow you. So if you're looking for this glow, like people will be like, ah, your face is just shiny, you know, this retinol kind of glow. You know what retinol does to the skin? It glows you, makes your skin firm and shining. Like what, if you're somebody who used retinol for a long time, you notice that your face will be looking like glass. Your face will be looking like you have a glass that if water drops on it, it will just, you know, bounce and pour. It will not, you get, I don't know how I'm going to explain, but you get what I'm trying to say. That is what this cream will do over time. But this cream is not one you should be using day and night, unlike the first one I mentioned. This one should be used strictly at night and not every day. Maybe you want to wear it 3 times or 4 times in a week and put on your sunscreen during the day. Now moving on to the third one, guys, will be this one here, the APLB Retinol Vitamin C Vitamin E facial cream. This one is just packed with a lot of vitamin, guys. This APLB, right? This is like a treatment kind of face cream. It's not your regular day face cream. It is a face cream that would help, you know, brighten your face, improve your skin texture, boost collagen, clear free radicals from your face, because it has a lot of vitamin C. I think up to 21.6% of vitamins in it, and it has retinol, right? So the product promised to, you know, moisturize your skin, tighten your skin, calm your skin, and soothe your skin, guys. This is a powerful face cream, guys, that I think it is worth the price. I think it retails between 10 to 15,000, and it's like a drugstore kind of face cream. So you see, all these correctors I'm just coming to talk about more of drugstore kind of face cream. They are not your regular whitening, lightening face cream. They are there to revamp or revive your skin, because they are correctors. They are not just your anyhow whitening products. Yeah, so like I said, the focus is correction. It's not to come and mention whitening face cream. No, it's for people who are trying to fix their issues as a result of reaction. Maybe you've encountered face cream reaction and you're trying to fix it. So this is another one. The fourth one, guys, will be the Fat Ceramide face cream. I have done a detailed review on that, on the 2 types, the green one and the blue one, so I won't be really talking much about it. Fat Ceramide face cream helps to, you know, boost collagen. Ceramide is a good protein that will help, you know, heal your skin and revive it. So that is another corrector that I will recommend. And then the final one, guys, will be this one, which is the NoMax. I think I've also made a video on NoMax face cream. It has different variant, but the one I'm talking about is the pink one, the one that is pink, right? So NoMax is also another face corrector. NoMax can lighten you because I have used NoMax, I have used Face Fact, so I can tell you for sure those ones. NoMax can lighten you, can give you up to 2 to 3 shades, yes. So if you use it over time, and like I said, corrector should not be used for prolonged time. You can use it, take a break, come back to it, like that. So guys, if you're using this product, do well to wear sunscreen, and when you're done and you've achieved the results for which you got them for, do well to discontinue and come back another time to use it. If you have used any of these correctors, guys, tell me in the comment section, how was the experience for you? Did it fix the work? Did it fix the work for which you got it for, or did it do otherwise? Let me know. And if there's any other face corrector that you have used and we did not mention in today's video, you can drop the name so that other people can benefit from it. Guys, this is where I'll be drawing the curtain in today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share our video. Until I come your way again next time, it's still your girl Chico. Bye for now.